how to add selections with pen tool. So I'm going to show you in this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. So if I grab here from here the pen tool or press P, now just simply create a path, and now I'd like to create another one. Perfect. Now to create a selection, what you can do is go to Window and just here make sure you check paths, and then just you can hold Control and then click on the path, all right, this layer or this path thumbnail, just click on it, but make sure you hold Control when you click on it, because then you'll see this this square, this that appears underneath this mouse, this arrow, you know. And now what's cool that you can now add you know, you can add a color, maybe you can add a gradient, and yeah, I didn't know this, I learned this, so I thought to myself to share this with you. Now you can also create another selection when you add with the pen tool. Let's create now another one here. And now if you right click here, you see make selection, you have this option. Please click now on make selection, check this, and here feather, if you want to add some feather radius, you can add here, and now click on OK, and now we have another selection. Pretty cool. Press Ctrl+D to deselect, and now if you want to create with the pen tool, you would like to create some shapes very fast. Well, what you can do is actually here, instead of path, you would want to select shape, and now we can basically create a shape. This is great when you want to create a shape fast, and well, it's a good option if you want to create a shape fast. Now this is because it's a path. We can of course change the color to any color we want. As you can see here, it's changing the color. So that's pretty cool. And now if you want to duplicate this selection we created, just hold Alt and drag. So Alt and drag. And now we're creating multiple copies in this this layer. Ctrl+D if you have a here selection. And you can also just select the path, then you can add the path like this, enter, and then you can select this path here we created, then you go to layer, new fill layer, and solid, and now we create a different shape. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.